name is Liz and welcome to Nothing But Bags. Hi, my name is Liz and welcome to Nothing But Bags. I call this space Nothing But Bags because literally when I'm getting ready to go somewhere, my outfit is the accessory, my handbag is the main event. Whether this is your first time clicking on one of my videos because this channel was recommended or you're one of my returning fellow handbag addicts, subscribers, supporters, or friends around here, either way, I appreciate that you click this video from the bottom of my heart. As you saw from the thumbnail inside this video, this is going to be a tour and a review of the Speedy Trunk 25 and an unboxing of a product from JMYLADY. So first of all, the Speedy Trunk 25, I believe, came out last year. Louis Vuitton originally released the product in the size 20 and later on released it in the size 25. This bag features monogram on the front and the back of the bag, and on the sides, reverse monogram with a black leather trim for the handles, as well as the shoulder strap that comes with the bag. The Speedy Trunk 20 actually comes with a chain strap and a long shoulder crossbody strap in black leather. That was a miss. That would be my first con about this bag because I have very few cons about this bag. But it would be that they did not include a longer shoulder crossbody strap with this bag. I think that was a huge miss. They do offer long shoulder straps with their Speedy 25 bags, so they understand that this bag is carried as a crossbody bag, often by people that have it. In fact, they sell them as the bandolier, and that's the one that comes with the long shoulder strap. That's because not everybody wants to carry this top handle or as a high shoulder carry all the time. Fortunately for me, I do have a monogram canvas Louis Vuitton strap that has a big enough lobster claw that can get around this very thick, very wide D-ring that's on the side of the bag. So I'm able to use that shoulder strap as an alternative when I want to wear this crossbody or a longer shoulder carry. This beautiful black clochette does not come with the bag. It is an extra charm offered by Louis Vuitton from that, I think they call it the Spiral collection. That's not right. The Swirl collection. I'll have the right name on the screen. But this clochette just has a little circle in there that you can clip maybe a charm to. I bought this from my friend Forever Ebony here on YouTube. She had bought this for her Speedy Trunk, and then she ended up going with a different charm that's also in this script. Maybe it's called script. She has a gold charm that sits in the center of her bag. So I was able to buy this from her. So I'm fortunate to have this charm. I think it's perfect on this bag. Anyway, the bag features a double zip that actually comes all the way around the edge of the bag, which allows you a larger, wider opening to get into and out of the bag. You see how big the mouth is on that? Inside, you'll see all of my contents in there, and you also see a pink handbag organizer in there from Zumani. As soon as I got this bag and opened it up, I contacted Zumani and said, hey, I need an organizer and a base shaper and an organizer from Zumani in this beautiful silky pink color, because I do want to keep this bag in the best condition possible. And for another reason, it's entirely black inside the bag. The bag has a black microfiber style material. It does feature a slip pocket on the back right there underneath that Louis Vuitton Made in Paris patch. So the organizer is more for keeping the inside of the bag as pristine as possible. And the base shaper also does give a little bit of structure because this bag is extremely soft. As you can see, it's so soft and supple. So inside the bag, inside of my little organizer from Zumani, I just have my phone charger in there that has several prongs to it. I can charge my AirPods, my cell phone, any type of electronic that I have, my fan. I have my AirPods in here inside of another Zumani pouch. A fan in case I get hot. I'm over 50, so this is a must. I have this black mesh pouch from Anastasia Beverly Hills. That was a free gift from like Sephora or Ulta with a purchase. It's just got all my bathroom essentials in there. I've got this mini pochette that I got from one of the holiday drops. I don't know what year it was, with Vivian on there in Paris. And this one features a pink interior, which is why I picked it. This is just my candy and medicine pouch. And I have my Coach corner zip wristlet in pink. And this is my catch-all inside the bag. This is more of a cosmetic pouch. That's what kind of items are in here. As you can see, I don't have a wallet in here. I was contacted by JMYLADY, and they asked if I would be interested in trying one of their products. JMYLADY's entire collection is made from 100% authentic, upcycled, vintage Louis Vuitton leather. JMYLADY's LV leathers are legally sourced from boutiques or from the secondary market. Typically, it's repurposed from vintage Louis Vuitton keep-alls. They frequently acquire vintage Louis Vuitton bags, primarily from Japan, carefully selecting and dismantling them to craft new bags using authentic Louis Vuitton leather. As all of their products are hand-sewn, when they receive an order, they'll schedule and handcraft it in order of the order received. Orders usually are shipped within 3 to 14 days. If they have too many orders that cannot be delivered on time, they will notify you, the customer, by email and contact you promptly to confirm the delivery time. On their boxes is upcycle with style. What I love about them is they actually take pieces from Louis Vuitton bags, totes, things of that nature, and they upscale them or upcraft them, which I think is a great thing to do. Louis Vuitton should do it. But people, instead of throwing things out and ruining the planet, they take these items and they recycle them. And they allowed me to pick what I wanted from the site, and I picked this beautiful wallet. On the screen, you'll see what this says. It is on the website. But the reason I picked this, as you can see, because it does feature the reverse monogram that's also on my bag, as well as the monogram print. Love that about this. It does feature a little Louis Vuitton button there. That's a snap closure. It does have Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. So this doesn't mean it's made by Louis Vuitton and made in Paris. It has a slip pocket on that back wall. It has a large opening here. It has a card slot back there on that back wall. It has a zip pocket here on the front with a nice long black leather zipper pull. And it has a coin pouch on the inside that's got like a fabric textile material. And on the back, it has another pocket. Love this. Love this. So this will be my wallet to go inside of my bag with my other contents. They have a lot of products on their website. They have a lot of pouches, a little micro mini pochette pouch. You're seeing their website kind of scrolling across the screen right now with all of the products they offer. I believe Melissa Adams-Wade also got some products from them as well that she featured in one of her videos. If I can find it, I will put it in the description box. But I think this is absolutely beautiful. You can see the glazing on the outside is very, very well made. And it's so pretty, and it's perfect for this bag. And this, like I said, despite it not being direct from Louis Vuitton, these are actual Louis Vuitton pieces that they recycled so that they wouldn't throw these away and discard them. They actually use them to create new products and new things for customers to purchase. So I'm really excited about this little piece. The website is on the screen right now for you. Check them out and look at their products that I've shown you on the screen to see what you might be interested in purchasing. If you were considering this, that's my fur baby doing it growling. If you were considering purchasing the Speedy 25 trunk, I say go for it. I'm super glad that I purchased this bag. When I was originally looking at it, my friend Forever Ebony had, I think, posted on her channel, community wall, that this bag was coming out. And my first thought was, I'm never going to want to carry this bag because it's so fancy. It's so pretty. I'll be thinking it's only for special occasions. I could not have been wronger because I love carrying this bag. I don't know what it is about. Maybe it's the black leather and not having the vaqueta. I don't know what it is, but despite it being so fancy with the brass corners and the little stud detail on the sides and the black leather and the reverse monogram, despite having so many very elegant, this little piece of leather here that says Louis Vuitton Paris with the studs in it, despite having all of these features on it, it still is a bag that I don't mind wearing with jeans and a sweater, or dressed up and fancy, or going in my scrubs to the clinic. I just think this bag is stunning. It carries everything that I could possibly want to carry in a bag. I can wear it a multitude of ways, as a shoulder carry, a top handle, and I could put my canvas Louis Vuitton strap on and wear it crossbody or shoulder carry. So I can wear it a multitude of ways. I don't feel it's too fancy or too decorative to wear to go to the clinic, to go to work, or to go to brunch, or to go to a funeral. I wore this to a funeral this past weekend. I've worn it to the clinic. I've worn it to dinner with friends. I've worn this bag several times already. I'm so glad I got this bag. I think it is an absolutely stunning bag. If you were considering it, consider no more. I think you should purchase it. I think this is just a gorgeous bag. And if you're considering any accessories for your bag, and you're like, I'm going to splurge on the bag, but I want to be more cost efficient with my accessories, I would check out JMYLADY. You're protecting the planet because you're buying things that are being recycled. You're supporting a small business, and you're getting an opportunity to get luxury materials and raw goods, well crafted, that would have otherwise have been discarded. So check out JMYLADY. And if you're thinking about this bag, I say go for it. And the only other thing that I ask of you is that you have an absolutely wonderful day.